Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Christina Maddox, and I'm with Heaven Sent Wedding Consultants and Travel Agency. I'm here today at the Riu, specifically in Mexico, in Riviera Maya, and I wanted to show you a junior suite category and what actually comes with your room, so that you can also see the room category, how it's laid out, as well as the view outside your deck, okay? So first and foremost, when you come into the room, you come in here through this door, okay? And right here is your toilet area, okay? It's just your toilet here. And this has been sanitized. And it smells amazing in here as well. So you have a private area, full-length mirror, central air. You have dual sinks here, okay? I'm a huge fan of those. These are the products here at Riu. You also have a makeup mirror here that you can pull out and adjust to your liking. And then over here, you have your blow dryer, towel, and then your shower. So you have your rain head here and also your handheld, as well as soap. And then in here, they have the towels stacked right in the shower, which I think that's a great idea. Then you also have your jacuzzi tub right in your bathroom, and then your king size bed. Okay, so you have side nightstands on both sides. Here you see your Samsung remote. Lighting, it's a very well lit space. You have your closet here, ample enough closet space. You have ironing board there, iron there. Your king size bed, very large. It also comes with a fully stocked refrigerator that's replenished on daily, as well as your liquor cabinet. So they have the Bacardi here, Smirnoff, some of the popular brands that everybody like. Then you have your coffee station here with bottled water. Here where you can place your luggage. Here. So the Riu has been very nice, and they gave me a little gift. I thought that was very sweet. So that's what your room looks like from this angle, from the corner from this angle. So you look there, that's what the room looks like. Your television is here. Okay. You have a seating area there, and then you have a couch there. And then out to your deck, here, enough seating for 2 people. And then right out here to your view, okay? You can see straight down there. The ocean is there. Look at that long infinity pool. Gorgeous. And you can see they're already jamming. I can hear the music from here. So that's one angle. And then on the other side, here, this property is beautiful, isn't it? So that's also a restaurant there. And another restaurant there. So this is the Riu, guys. Look how gorgeous. So if you guys was interested in staying at the Rio in Mexico, Riviera Maya, contact me, Christina Maddox, with Heaven Sent Wedding Consultants and Travel Agency. My direct dial is 267-334-0301. And I brought Rio Palace in Riviera Maya to you. Have a blessed day, everybody. Bye.